You're welcome to my channel. If you are new here, please consider subscribing and click on the notification bell. In this video, I'm going to share with you 5 side hustles that can give you extra income here in Nigeria. Number 1 is weekend tutoring. Weekend tutoring is one of the best side hustles that you can step in and make cool money. So you need to gather some students and start teaching them either your mathematics or English, whichever subject that you can handle very effective. If you can teach very well, the parents will be happy to pay you any amount that you agree with them. Number 2, start a fashion and designing business. This is one side that is very lucrative and in high demand. 90% of the tailors we have or the designers we have always disappoint their customers in Nigeria. So start fashion and designing business and make good money. It's one side hustle that can actually put good money into your pocket. It's very easy, and you will also be doing it at the comfort of your home. So why not consider this particular one and start now. Number 3, start Uber or taxi driving. Many drivers are really making money these days. Now, if you are employed somewhere, there is no problem. It will not stop you, it will not hinder you, it will not stress you. All you need to do, when you close maybe by 4 p.m. or 5 p.m., you step into your car and zoom off. Now, between 5 p.m. and 9 p.m., you make good money. I assure you that. You are going to make good money, and that will help you not to always depend on your salary. Number 4, catering. If you can cook or bake, there is a great opportunity for you, and it's a very good and fantastic side hustle. You see, you can reach out to few persons or few customers that will always come to your house to buy in large quantity and sell. They will be the distributors. Your own part is to always bake within the time that you give it to them, or in the morning they will come and buy, and then you go back to your normal work. So baking is one of the best thing that you can do, or cooking. You can even be a supplier. You prepare the food and supply to those families that cannot cook or do not have the time to cook. So start catering business now and make clean money from the comfort of your home. Number 5, pure water business. Pure water business is a very great and lucrative business. You know that everyone must drink water, and in Nigeria we have epileptic power supply. So if you can make your water cool, there will be a lot of people that will always come to buy in bags from your home, and then you make clean money. You can use their fridge to cool it down. In the morning, those hawkers will come and buy from you, and you have good money. Or if you don't have time to always stay there to sell by yourself, you can assign somebody, your wife or maybe your housemate, will be there to sell for you. When you come back home, money is already waiting for you at the comfort of your home, and that will increase your income. One of the dangerous ways of living in Nigeria is to live depending on only one source of income. If you can create multiple streams of income, you will live a comfortable life and enjoy yourself. So choose one of these 5 great side hustles and start now making good money.